Have you ever held something in your hands that felt like it carried the soul of the earth? Something simple, yet so beautifully crafted, you could almost hear the whispers of nature in the fibers. That is the magic of jute craft. Today, I want to take you on a journey not just onto the art of making things from jute, but into the heart of why it matters, why it's worth your time, and how it can change the way you see creativity. Jute is called the golden fiber that grows from the soil, drinks the rain, basks in the sun, and becomes a soft yet sturdy thread in the hands of an artist. It's sustainable, eco friendly, and full of rustic charm. When we work with jute, we are not just making a product, we are weaving the story of nature into something we can touch, use, and cherish. From baskets to wall hanging, from rugs to plant holder, jute transform into whatever your imagination dares to create. You see, craft is never just about the final piece, it's about you, your patience, your creativity, your willingness to see beauty where others see just a rope. Every knot you tie, every twist you make is a small step of transformation, just like life, where every little effort builds into something meaningful. In the quiet moment of crafting, with Jude, you will feel your mind slow down, your thoughts clear, your hands move, and purpose. You will discover the joy of creating something real, something that didn't exist until you made it. And here's the beautiful part, jute craft isn't just an art, it's a voice for many communities, it's a source of livelihood. It helps women, artists, artisans, and families sustain themselves while keeping cultural traditions alive. When you choose to create or even buy jute products, you are part of a bigger story, a story where creativity feeds both the heart and the home. Maybe you have never crafted before, maybe you think I am not artistic. Let me tell you, you don't have to be. All you need is the courage to start. A roll of jute, some glue or thread, a pair of scissors, and a little imagination. That's it. Start small. A simple coaster, a plant pot cover, a wall hanging. The first one might be imperfect, but remember, in jute craft, the imperfections are what give it character. They make it yours. Just teach us something powerful, that from something humble and raw, you can create something extraordinary. That patience pays off. That working with your hands can heal your mind, and most of all, that beauty doesn't always need to shine. It shines something else enough for it to feel warm, natural, and